Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Seema Chidati and I'm a foundation level student at Dhyan School, Islamabad Park campus. Recently, I watched the text review Moving Forward by Jannat Ali and I found it's very interesting, inspiring and meaningful. This talk gave me a chance to think about life challenge, personal growth, confidence, and the importance of continuing our journey even when things do not go according to our plans. The message of moving forward made me realize that life is not always easy. And every person has to face different challenges and different stages. Sometimes we experience failure, disappointed, confusion, or situations that make us feel like stopping. However, these experiences do not have to be the end of our journey. They can become opportunities to learn, improving, and understand ourselves better. One of the most important lessons I learned from this TEDx talk is that moving forward means don't allow difficult experience to control our future. We cannot change our thing that has already happened, but we can learn from our past and decide what we want to do next. If we make a mistake, we should accept it. Understand what went wrong, and try to improve instead of continuously think about every mistake can teach us something valuable when we are willing to learn. I realize that progress does not always happen quickly. Sometimes we take small step and sometimes we need more time. But even a small step can take us closer to our goal. That talk made me that talk made me think about confidence and self belief. Moving forward requires courage because we may not always have what will happen next. We can feel nervous when we start something new, especially when we are afraid of making mistakes or being judged. By other words, we should not allow fear to stop us from trying. Confidence grow when we take action, learn from our experience and discover that we are capable of dealing and challenges as a student. I want to become our confidence by participating in different activities, asking questions, learning and new skills, and accepting challenges as an opportunity to grow. As a foundation level student, I can appeal this message in my daily life. Sometimes school take me a task seem difficult or I am not understand. Sometimes immediately instead of giving up, I can ask question but practice more and try different ways to learn. If I make a mistake, I can learn from it and try. I also want to manage my time better, completing my task responsibilities, a responsibility, and continuously developing my communications and learning skills. These small actions may seem simple, but they can help me build a strong foundation for my future. So overall, I really enjoy watching TEDx Moving Forward by Jannat Ali because it gives me a positive message by continuing our journey with courage and hope. The talk remind me that challenge, mistake, and difficult moments are not reason to stop. Instead, they can teach us important lesson and help us become stronger by because learning from this TEDx talk. Is that I should keeping forward even if my progress is slow. So I should in myself learn from experience. So experience accept challenges and continuing talking a small step forward my goals. I want to carry these lessons with me in my studies and in my future because every new step in an opportunity to learn, grow, and become a better version of my life. So thanks for watching TEDx review. Hopefully you enjoy the TEDx review. I will back in new TEDx talks. So thanks. Allah Hafiz.